In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate elements in Canva. Rotating elements is a simple but powerful way to fine-tune your designs, whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation slide, or a poster. A slight tilt can add energy, create balance, or help your text and images line up perfectly with other elements on the page. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and that you've opened the design you want to edit. This could be an existing project or a brand new blank canvas. Once your design is open, look at the page and decide which element you'd like to rotate. This might be a photo, a text box, an icon, a shape, or even a group of elements that you've selected together. To begin, click on the element you want to rotate. When you click it, you should see a bounding box appear around it. This box usually has small handles at the corners and sides, indicating that the element is now active and ready for editing. If you don't see this box, click again to make sure the element is properly selected. Next, look for the rotate icon. In Canva, this appears as a small circular arrow attached near the edge of the selected element. It's usually just outside one of the corners of the bounding box. Move your cursor over that circular arrow, and you'll notice the cursor change to indicate that you can now rotate the element. Click and hold down your mouse on the rotate icon, then slowly move your mouse left or right to turn the element. As you drag, you'll see the element spinning around its center point. Take your time and watch how the angle changes on screen. If you want a more precise adjustment, you can rotate slowly and stop when it visually lines up where you want it. Many versions of Canva will show you the rotation angle while you're turning the element. This can be helpful if you want a neat 90-degree rotation or just a slight 10 or 15-degree tilt for a subtle effect. When you're happy with the orientation, simply release your mouse button. The element will stay at that angle. If you change your mind, you can always click the rotate icon again and adjust it, or use the undo button to go back to the previous position. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on the element and using the rotate icon, you can quickly control the angle of anything in your Canva design and create layouts that look polished, balanced, and visually engaging.